If you're looking for baby cabinet locks and straps, here's a collection you've got to see. Baby Safety Cabinet Locks and Straps Bestsellers Collection. Number 1, by Lighting Mall. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Kiscords. Number 3, by MAPUX. Choose the best baby safety for your baby, click the circle for more info. Number 4, by Adoric. Number 5. Find these baby cabinet locks and straps at up to 70% off by clicking the description below. Number 6, by Munchkin. Number 7, by Toplus. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Secure Home by Leona. Number 9, by Baby Keeps. Discover more baby cabinet locks and straps ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Kiscords.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.